This has been a little tricky to get this bike rack to work. Thank you, Amazon, for not shipping it. But got our bikes on, got the camper on. Gonna head to Canada for a week or so. See how it goes. Just drove through Orville. Now we're at the Canadian border. Hopefully they let us through. Smooth sailing. River, hey, best behavior. All right, so river needed to get patted down, but we made it through. Now we are in British Columbia, Canada. French, good people, nice people.
Great people.
So just got into Canada. Got a couple more hours, I need a little energy. Everything is holding on good. Gotta set up this Starlink. Hopefully that hangs on tight. What do you think, River? What a unique spot. Spotted Lake. This is just over the border from the States. There's no creek that goes into this or a creek that goes out of this. And as it drops down, each of these pools have different mineral content. So we just crossed over the border about 30 minutes ago. Stopped at Mom and Pop's. Use the restroom, get some produce, let River go potty. Beautiful mountains out this way. So we're about, I don't know, hour and a half into Canada. And gonna be looking for our first little camp spot for the night along this little river. Thank you, Starlink, for the internet. So Mama can make us money and fund this whole operation. So we turned off the highway onto this forest road. Not sure where it leads, but there's a lake somewhere up here. This might be our first Airbnb of the trip. Home for the first night. Not a bad spot. Hannah's already in bed. Getting River fed. Not bad. This new bike rack worked out. Wish we could open the door fully, but all good. Hannah's already in bed and ate dinner. I haven't. Excuse me. Gonna make a little bit of chicken nugget dinner. Hannah's already going night-night.
I'm ready for bed.
Yeah, she's with child. She has an excuse.
Pregnancy tiredness.
Yeah. And River,
Crazy.
you had a good supper?
Yeah, I did.
You ready for night-night? First night in Canada. But first, chicken nuggets. And got our bear spray. So we'll check in mañana. So we're in bed, watching the sunset and the mosquitoes. Oh, shut up, but listen to this. We think it's bears communicating. There's one straight off 12 o'clock. and over at 3 o'clock. And then we've heard a couple around like 10 o'clock. All right, listen in. Buenos dias, day 2. We are about 5 hours and 15 minutes to Jasper, so keep you in the loop. But first we need to stop. Hannah has a meeting. Might get a new client. Walmart. So we'll see. No big deal. Just headed to Wally World. So Hannah has a meeting. Got her all connected with the Starlink. I'm taking River for a little ride. Oh, good girl. Going poo-poo. Let's go pick her up. We are about an hour away from Jasper. Gonna look at this little waterfall here. I'll show you when we get there. Kind of tell that blue color from up here. Blue Gatorade. Hannah's favorite flavor. It's a hazardous area, okay, River? We missed him.
We didn't go that. Well, she said if you hurry, you can see the next one.
Yeah, oh, maybe. Pretty neat, but they don't raft down there. They walk around it. It's a big old wave, big old hydraulic in there. Here we go. This is what we came here for. That kind of looks like fresh snow up there. Incredible.
Do people ski that?
I don't know about that particular mountain.
Crazy if they do. Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you then.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Pizza.
She got pizza. Okay, so we are pulling into Jasper. Sad, there was a fire last summer. So when I was here 2 winters ago, some of the buildings are supposedly burnt. That whole mountainside.
Right
No
here.
bueno. Ay, no bueno.
My mom.
And then down this road's Icefield Highway, which is gonna be bananas in a couple days. River, you done good, girl. Get a little fresh air, you deserve it.
I'll give her a treat.
Yep, there we go. Second time here. First time for the lady. How do you feel?
baby.
How do you feel in your core?
I think I need to see the town first before I make a decision, but it looks beautiful. I'm really hungry to so.
Hey, welcome Outdoor Familia. We're in Jasper. Getting a box of pizza, and then we'll go to our camp spot. Dropped a couple pins, we'll see which one works out.
Gonna be near a glacier.
Potentially.
Looking to totally hop on that train.
So just had supper and got a couple little things at the corner store, and now hopefully finding our first spot to camp up here in Jasper without having to.
Can 2 cars fit here?
Barely. I don't. Thank you.
Yeah.
It's stunning. I'll show you camp soon. Hopefully no one says anything, but this should be camp for the night. In our bath spot. You can see that color. Nice long day of driving. Time to relax and walk. And ground. Feels so good. We are going to be walking up to the Athabasca River. Really wanting to take a little bath. 2 days, no shower. Getting a little ripe. Heck yeah.
This would be the spot to shower.
Or to put up a tent.
Show how cold it is.
Oh, yeah.
It's very new check.
There's some bald eagles right there. Bald eagle flying off. 2 golden eagles hanging out right there. Another one flew off. Some deer and moose tracks. River. Hang out, girl. Off-road one-wheeling. So that camp spot wasn't bad, but I was on Google Earth and found something potentially a little better. So that spot ain't bad. And there's an outhouse. But there's another spot down here I'm gonna take a look-see at. Hannah's in the back, the camper, laying on the bed with River. So last summer, there was a huge fire that I mentioned earlier, but we're driving through some of the old burned forest here. Oh, through there. People are videoing something. Let's see. Oh, a big old bull elk. That is beautiful. Ooh, this. Oh, deer. I think that might be a little overlook. Let's pull in there really quick.
Yeah, it's not by the river, but
I think there's a no camping thing on that. Hi, dear.
they're probably so used to humans.
Yeah.
Not even running.
Hey.
Hey!
Didn't video it, but we brought our ropes this trip. Just went in this little stream right over here. Ice cold. Got it done though. Needed that. We were stanky. This is home for night 2. Not a bad spot at all. So this is our setup. We're camping right there tonight. Got this beautiful stream going into Medicine Lake.